against me. Me nah run, me call out still. Deliver me from me enemies, Lord. Protect me when draw them sword. Save me from them workers of blood. Them come like river, rush like flood. Them lying wait for me soul fi mash. Mighty man a plot and dash. Me done no wrong, me and stay clean. Yet them gather like me do something mean. Awake and come, me gather might. Rise up, watch them in the night. Now show mercy upon wicked one. Them take your name and play fi fun. Them wait for me soul, but me nah go fall. Me call upon strength, me stand up bold. Me refuge in a storm and war. Me sing through darkness, near and far. Every night them come like beasts, snarling like dogs from west to east. Them roam round town with pride and hate, speaking lies, heart full of it. But you, oh Jalla, laugh at them all. You mock the nations when them fall. Me strength, me watching, me nah let go. You me tower, me guard, me shield for sure. Me God of mercy, show me face. Let them know them can't take me place. Slay them, not less people forget. Scatter them, humble them, make them sweat. Them mouth full of cuss and lie. Words like sword when them walk by. Let them be trapped by what them say. Them pride a lead them own self astray. Consume them slow till none remain. Let man know you rule again. Let them scatter from east to west. No say the most I run the test. Come evening, them still barking loud, roaming like dogs, fierce and proud. Wander up and down for meat, grumbling if them belly nah eat. But me go sing a strength each morning, praise the love way keep me from mourning. Me strong